Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use parameters in FreeCAD. So if you want to do it, first you need to create a new empty file, and after that we need to change mode from part design to spreadsheet. So I select this one mode, and after that I need to click on this icon to create a new spreadsheet. Then on model view you will find spreadsheet option. We need to click double time on it to open it. And for example, now I will add here a new parameters. I want to create a circle from parameters, so I will type here D, and length for this parameter will be maybe a 20. I want to create path from the circle, so I need to type here height, and for example I will type here maybe 40. Okay, now we need to set these parameters, so I click on 20, and when it will be selected I need to type here alias. For example, I type here the parameter and I press enter. After that, alias will be successfully created. So now we need to create an alias for the height parameter. So I click on it, I click on 40 and I type a new alias, for example, height parameter, and I press enter. And now our parameters have been successfully created, so we need to change mode from spreadsheet to part design. Now on the tasks view we will be able to create a new body, so I go to create body, I click create sketch, I select here XY plane and I click OK button to finish this task. Then I need to create a circle, so I select here this one option, I click on it and I select here create circle by center. Then I draw here a simple circle, maybe something like that. And now we need to go to dimension settings and select here dimension, and we need to click on this circle, then dimension will be displayed here. So now I click somewhere here, and on diameter settings I need to click on this one option to enter an expression. Then I type here spreadsheet, or I click on this one option, then I type here name of the alias, so I type here D, and how you see on the list there is visible the parameter. I select it and I click OK button. After that this circle will be modified, so now we need to click OK button and we need to close this task. Then I select here pad, and on length I need to click on this one icon one more time to enter an expression. I type here spreadsheet, I select here this one spreadsheet, and this time I type here height parameter, yeah, so I select this one option and I click OK button. And how you see it has been modified, I can click OK button to finish this task. So now if you would like to modify this object using parameters, you need to again change mode from part design to spreadsheet, and then you need to open model view and you need to click double time on spreadsheet. Then for example I will modify the value, so I type here maybe 50, and I will modify the height value, I will type here maybe 5, and after that if I will go back to part design view, you will see the changes. So I change the view to part design, I go to model and I click double time on the body, and how you see changes are visible here. So in this way you can use parameters in FreeCAD. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.